Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to get images. And I'm pretty sure that you know how to use a digital camera, or maybe your phone has a camera, and get images that way. So you can get images that way, or we can create images here in Photoshop. But I'm just going to show you two other ways to get images. Oh, I'm sorry, and we have a scanner in the classroom that you can use, and if you need help doing that, let me know. But I want to show you one other thing that you can do. And that's if you see something here on the internet, like a picture, one of these, let's say I want one of these pictures for some reason, or this thing right here. Well, what I can do is hit my Alt key on my keyboard and my print screen key. And what that does, again, I hit Alt and print screen. What that does is it takes a copy of everything that's on the screen. So this is just another way of getting images. And then what I'm going to do is come and paste that in here. So I'm going to go to File and say New. And one thing that this does for me is it makes the dimension of this new image just the right size to hold this copy of my screen. And then I'm going to paste. I'm actually using a keyboard shortcut. Hit Control V for paste. It'd be the same thing as coming here and saying, you notice that paste is Control V. But you notice there's the thing that's on my screen. So now I've got a copy of that picture, and I can actually come in here and, if I just want a portion of it, grab this. So that's another way to get pictures, is by getting a screen copy of what's on your screen. Then another way, which hopefully you know about this, is we can go to Google. And we can go to Google and then go to Images and do a search. So let's say that I want a car or something like that. Then I can come in here, get pictures of cars. So let's just recap again. For getting pictures, for messing around here, we can grab them off the internet. We can do screen capture. We can use your own digital camera, we can use the scanner, or we can create images in Photoshop. Now let's just talk about copyright for a little bit. What we're doing here in class, we don't have to worry about copyright. We're doing things for educational purposes. We can kind of do whatever we want with copyrights. But if you're ever doing something for commercial purposes, you need to have a license for every image that you use. So in that case, it's usually better to take them yourself. And then the only thing you have to worry about is if you're, taking a picture of somebody, you're going to have a photo release. So we can show you the photo release forms, what they look like. But just watch out. You want to protect your customers, protect yourself with the copyright stuff, and don't use images unless they're licensed. And again, that's for commercial work. But we have something called a fair use exemption for what we do here in the class, and we can do whatever we want, basically. Okay, so that's getting images.